Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Redmi K40 is on the way. The Redmi K40 is some rumors say it would have a gaming to have an OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Redmi K40 gaming phone will be the first handset of the Xiaomi brand dedicated to a mobile gamers. Well, being part of the K40 series, it's an entirely new phone with a completely different specs from the currently available ones. And at least a feature we have learned is that a top-notch display. Redmi will equip its new phone with OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and all for the other latest bells and whistles that suit a flagship tier phone. So the new panel is 10-bit, meaning it will have 1.067 billion color in theory, not like the 8-bit screen with the 16 million colors used only by Caveman from for the far year of 2020. In practice, this means better color reproduction and a smoother transition. The brightness will have a 8192 level, allowing it to adopt ever so precisely in every condition imaginable. Other specs include HDR10 plus, support DCI-P3 color gamut, and rumors claim it will be packed onto 6.43-inch panel LCD screen. The official unveiling on 4 days on April 27, and we expect more specifications in the future to be tested until then. The Redmi K40 gaming will be powered by the Dimensity 1200, and it's a new handset with a new camera and design and other hardware feature. In latest video, one of them are shoulder keys for gaming, which will pop up for the side once in a slider. Is that the bullet? This is the new video from the Redmi for the upcoming Redmi K40 gaming smartphone. The brand says that the keys are so good for clicking, and they can even be used as a fidget toy when the user is not gaming. They deliver a crisp sound every time they press it and close with a magnet, providing much better feedback than existing solution. According to the post Vivo, that the shoulder are extremely durable and they were clicked 1.5 million times without fault. Thanks to the close-up in the video, we can also see the frames will be metal as well as the actually shoulder. Well, the back panel appear to be made out of a glass, which will enable wireless fast charging. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Redmi K40 gaming smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone? Also like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out and bye.